So city employees can actually afford to live in Los Angeles.
Number 10, a man in his 40s suffers a heart attack and dies from a caffeine overdose. Now, Panera Bread is facing another lawsuit after a second death is linked to its highly caffeinated charged lemonade. Fox 11's Gina Silva's live at Walnut with the story. Gina.
That's right. Panera Bread is insisting their highly caffeinated drinks are safe, and they are refusing to take them off the market.
This is not lemonade.
People who've tried Panera Bread's highly caffeinated charged lemonades know these drinks have quite a kick.
I knew what I was drinking, and even someone like me who's a heavy caffeine drinker, it was like you can get jittery from it for sure.
It immediately goes to your head and you get an immediate headache. I'm an adult. If I can get an immediate headache from the amount of sugar and caffeine, I can't even imagine a 5-year-old.
But could they be deadly? 2 lawsuits have been filed against Panera Bread, alleging the caffeinated charged lemonades are to blame for the deaths of 2 people. One 46-year-old man died from cardiac arrest after allegedly drinking 3 charged lemonades. 2 months earlier, a woman with a heart condition died, allegedly after drinking a charged lemonade.
I think without alcohol, it would be surprising to anyone to know that a high level of caffeine has now caused 2 deaths in a short period of time.
Dr. Daniel Llovera says people with heart conditions should definitely stay away from highly caffeinated drinks.
From a medical standpoint, it's critical that there's greater awareness of the fact that caffeine can be harmful. I don't think most people don't look at caffeine as a dangerous medication or a dangerous drug, but it should be known that the FDA has stated that the legal maximum amount or amount that shouldn't really go over for anyone is 400 milligrams of caffeine.
Panera Bread has advertised the drinks as plant-based with as much caffeine as dark roast coffee. A large lemonade has 390 milligrams of caffeine. While Panera Bread is standing by the safety of its products, some customers are starting to wonder if it's a good idea to keep selling these drinks.
Can't see why a big company like Panera would lose, and even if they did, how would it hurt them to lose money on something that could potentially be a lot more expensive for them in the future with a lawsuit?
And on its website, Panera Bread states that the drinks are not recommended for children, for people sensitive to caffeine, and pregnant women, as well as nursing women. Reporting from Pasadena, I'm Gina Silva. I'll send it back to you guys in the studio.
How nice.